stance, who looks up to Roberto Duran.
Definitely, Yumter, I have been seeing Python, and definitely we had him in the previous Arunachal Pro Boxing season. And my God, he is a hard hitter, goes in a very old school method when it comes to boxing. And I'm definitely sure this first bout itself is going to be a banger. We have Dixon Kare, Python, aka Salar.
Python. So, for this match, he has already said that he has studied his opponent well. And he believes that his opponent doesn't open up too much, so that's why he's going to capitalize on it.
And he believes that his opponent is kind of overconfident, and he is calm, and he loves beating up confident people, it seems.
He said it to me yesterday. He said it to me yesterday that he likes to talk less and show more inside the ring. And he's standing right next to it, and you can see his frame. He looks quite ripped. All.
And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, hailing from Dimapur, Netherlands. He weighs 67 kilos. His record in pro boxing stands as debut. Ladies and gentlemen, let us have on the ring, Michael the Dog!
So ring में अभी आते हुए Kevi the Dog Michael, a very cool, collected, confident brat from Nagaland. Former teammate of Puloto, who's also going to be fighting in this card. So he trained out of TCA Nagaland, and before a boxer, he was an MMA fighter and has 7 fights as an amateur. And 2018, he shifted to Gurgaon, where he trained at the famous Cross-Train Fight Club. So he fights out of orthodox stance, and he, like his favorite boxer Canelo, इसका भी style Mexican है. So there's one cool fact about Kevi the Dog Michael that I would like to share is he's also learning Japanese in Kohima.
Oh, that's
because
really...
he believes that after boxing he would like to do something with the language.
Our judges for the bout number 1, judge number 1, we have Gamdak Damin, judge number 2, Ramba Nyeling, judge number 3, Ricky Yadav. The referee giving instructions after the introduction, we have Manoj Banwa. Bout number 1 will be 4 rounds, ladies and gentlemen.
So I was talking to Kevi the Dog Python. I'm very sorry, Kevi the Dog Michael. He said that he is trying to balance his work life along with his professional boxing.
Keep your head, no holding, no hit to the backside, no loading.
So ladies and gentlemen, and TCA guys watching from Nagaland, and also fans of Salar Python watching from Upper Subansiri, here we go, the first night of the evening. So Python is checking. Nice jab from Kevi. Python is looking to find the distance.
As we spoke to Python last night, and he takes a little time to warm up, but when he starts, it's all on. Now he's pushing Kevi to the corner.
Nice too from Python. Nice jab from Kevi. Nice feint from Python. So Python ने मुझे बोला कल कि वो ये मैच के लिए, क्योंकि उसे अपने स्टैमिना में भरोसा है, so he wanted to warm up well and come here because he wants to unleash it from the bell as the bell goes. And as you can see that Kevi is on the back foot, timing that jab.
Oh, so
Hard shots from Python. Kevi is smiling again.
I mean, Yumter, these gloves are of a different manufacturer, and this one gets you right at the point where it hurts like mad. And there was a
Nice
good
right
upper
from Python.
overhand.
Overhand from Python. Kevi is still going behind on the jab. That's a nice strategy. I think he'll open up soon. He's waiting for the right moment, but Python looks much lighter. He's going nice 2 from Python, but missed. Almost had KV. KV returns with a fire, but Python blocks it. Python looks focused. Oh, once again, that 2 from Python is money. KV again playing with the jab. A hook from Python, but missed.
KB is in the outer range, but he's moving really beautifully to evade all the pressure that's going to come from Python. Oh, that one rocked him hard.
Hard shot from Python, but KV is still standing.
So
and
shrugs it
smiling.
off.
It was a nice right hand from Python. Python is going for the jab. Let's see if he goes for the kill, but he's looking much more calm and composed than the last time. He knows that the finish will come, and this is what a pro boxer should be doing. Nice overhand from Python. KV is smiling with the hands low. He's still in the fight. Python looks much more focused. Oh, nice slip and hit.
Beautiful.
Nice overhand from Python. It's all Python this round.
KB needs to do a little more than smiling at this moment because the pressure is slowly building up from Python's side.
Nice jab from Python. But still out of range. And there goes round 1. So, क्या insight रहेगा आपका? I think the first round we can agree that Python took the first round. So we can agree that Python took the first round, right?
Yes, definitely. Python did put in with the good pressure. It seemed kind of KB was taking the fight a little easy against Python, but yeah, Python is just getting warmed up, and KB needs to put up a little bit more shots to make his impression marked.
And like Python said in his study, उसने बोला था कि KV takes time to open up, and according to how he studied, he is capitalizing on that mistake. So both the corners instructing the fighters. Let's see if KV can come up with a little bit more aggressive game plan. So here we go, round number 2. KV is still fighting behind the jab. Heavy jab too. Jab to the body by KV. A nice right hook by Python, and Python open ups. Hard shots from Python. Hard shots once again from Python. But the slip from KV, he ducks down and misses the punch.
Oh, beautiful combinations.
Python looks much more calmer now, more focused. Oh, a slip and a rip, and once more powerful shot from Python, but it looks like it didn't affect KV. KV is in the ring, he needs to get out. In the corner, he needs to get out, and Python look composed. He's not going in for the kill. He's pacing himself. A nice right hook from KV.
Now KB wishes to set his impression. A little more than smiling is required from him at the moment. And
I think KV needs to open up a bit because it's already the second round. If he wants to open up, this is the right time. Oh, nice uppercut from Python. Once again, a nice left hook and cross from KV. But right on the guard of Python. Python is looking for that body shot because KV is dipping down. And he gets it, but he misses with the left hook. And Python is all charged. And as I said, Python is a high output boxer. And this is what he wants. This is the fight that he wants. He wants to dance around and he wants to hit his guy as much as he can. And as he said, and as I said earlier, KV is a bit slow starter. He's taking his time. He's looking for that knockout shot and he's loading. But at the same time, because of that, he's loading the punches. Nice 2 straight from Python, followed by an overhand. The right hook from Python is money.
now a couple of jabs are connecting from KV. KV seems to have found his range.
Nice jab to the body from KV. Representing Nagaland. Jab and dip. Oh, nice left hook from KV. But Python looks unaffected from it.
Oh,
A nice counter attempt from KV, but Python just walks it off.
and good head movements at the same time.
Hard shot from KV. Looks like KV has found his timing. He's opening up. He's opening much more than from in compare from the first round. Nice jab from KV. KV is throwing some hard jabs at Python, man.
KV is putting 100% in that punches. He's looking for the head.
But Python is doing a good job with his defense. He's not letting those punches touch him cleanly.
Yeah,
So that's why you
definitely,
can see
Umtar, I
still-
agree with you. And that's the end of the second round.
KV की तरफ से अच्छा कमबैक हुआ राउंड के एंडिंग में.
Yeah, definitely. First round से तो बहुत अच्छा performance रहा है second round में. And KV is getting the right instructions by his corner at the moment. Solar Python is doing what he does best.
Second round.
Here we go for the third round of the first bout. Dixon Kare versus KV.
ex-MMA fighter versus a professional boxer.
Oh,
KV is
that
found
was
his
a
mark.
good right by
From
KV.
Nice left hook and a right from KV, but Python returns it. Python looks like he's in the fight. KV looks like he's found his rhythm. He's all charged up and warmed up, but he's leaving himself open. He's
KV's
just walking
pace
through
has
Python's-
increased, overhands.
But अगर आप देख सकते हो, in the heat of the moment, KV is kind of dropping his hands down, and he's in line for Python's counter. But the question is, can Python capitalize on it? A swing and a miss from KV. Python just ducked, slipped from it at the last moment.
Definitely.
Now Python switch hitting and trapping KV in the corner.
body shots.
Hard shot from
Catches
Python.
him in the corner.
Python
Shoe shine to the
hard
head.
shots are he's going to the head, he's going to the body, but now he's out. Now KV is starting towards him. Nice body shot from KV to Python. Now Python is in the receiving end. KV is barraging him with
Oh.
punches and a nice overhand from Python. But Python doesn't look hurt. Nice left hook from KV and it pushes him away. KV is not respecting Python's shots, right? KV is not respecting Python's shots. Nice head movement from KV to evade most of Python's punches. The right hook from Python. KV is doing the right job of slipping out of the angle just at the last moment. KV looked gassed down.
Yeah, definitely. He's
mean,
putting a lot of weight behind the punches. We have one more round to go.
And it definitely takes it all. Python looks like the fresher man. Both of them are charging forward. So far, it's been a wonderful match. I sense a knockout coming soon. But again, they don't call KV the dog for no reason. He's got the dog in him.
He's got the fight in him.
Python still look fresh. Python with the left hook, but he's been missing all night. Nice
Oh,
body shot from
that was a
KV.
hard body shot.
KV का मुझे एक चीज अच्छा लग रहा है. He's been capitalizing on that jab all night.
I'm very definite that KV, when he goes for the body with the jabs, body jabs, he's looking for an overhand right at the same time whenever he goes for the body jab.
Nice counter from Python. At the same time, Python, a nice overhand from Python towards KV. He's going to the body, but KV misses it with the head movement, and Python returns the head movement and misses the punch of KV.
There was a beautiful series of through and through, back and forth.
Nice exchange from both of them. KV investing in the body again. He was setting this up, going to the body
Definitely.
and trying the overhand to the head.
Couple of jabs to the body. When he is focused on the body, then he would have definitely looked for the overhand right. But Python has caught up with his timing, understood his timing, his opponent's timing.
I mean, अगर आप जब एमेचर फाइट्स इतने सारे करते हो तो इस चीज़ का ये आइडिया हो जाता है कि ये सब चीज़ आपको सिखाया नहीं जाता, आप सीख जाते हो मैच के बिटवीन में. And Python
It becomes an instinct.
yeah. a flow state.
Flow state, right?
So this is the last round. The corner of KV is urging him to put up more volume.
With Salar Python, we have Mr. Logo Golo in his corner, who is an exceptional boxer for his size and his weight.
And ladies and gentlemen, towards the last and final round between KV and Salar Python. Here we go. Oh, KV with a nice jab. Nice jab from KV. Nice jab to the body from KV.
Oh,
Nice 1-2 from Python. Nice jab from KV.
the KV with a couple of jabs is exactly doing what he should have done in the first round, measured. But right now, I think so. He's building something up with that jab. Something is definitely behind the jab. But Salar Python pushes him to the corner. Couple of body shots, and KV shrugs it off.
Nice left hook from KV. Nice
that
2
was-
from KV. Nice left hook and 2 from Python. In return, an uppercut from KV. It touches Python. Looks like Python is in problem. Yeah, but he has recovered. Looks like he has recovered from it again. KV investing in the body. It looks like it has taken a toll on Python. Nice overhand from KV and it connected on the temple of Python. Now, KV in the attack mode. Once again, nice jab from KV. Nice right hook from KV and Python returns the favor with his own right hook. Nice jab from KV.
KV's jabs are making it to the point slowly by in the fourth round a lot.
Body mein acha
Oh.
investment. Nice left hook. Both of them are battering each other. It's battle of wills now. Who's gonna stand till the last while eating the shots? So both these guys have as marketed. This fight is going as marketed. Basic fundamentals from Python Kare, a slip and rip to the head. Now he's going to the body. Now both of them knows that this round is important, so both of them are hitting each other.
Oh,
And looks like Python is after the finish. As advertised, he's going after KV. Nice parry from Python. So I guess it's more than 20 jabs that KV has landed in this whole fight.
yes, you're right, Kunta.
Now KV is on the front foot and Python has taken the job of countering on himself and he is doing well so far.
KV's head movements have been very subtle but very precise in evading the punches as far as it has been. But yeah, you do get rocked if you walk in with your hands down all the time. Yeah, see, that's the exact display I'm talking about.
So this is a slug face, ladies and gentlemen. दोनों boxers एक दूसरे की तरफ में जा रहे हैं. A nice slip and rip from
In the
KV.
last 10 seconds to go.
Let's see how it goes out. Will we get a knockdown? A nice left hook from KV. Python returns the favor. Nice two from Python and it landed clean. And ladies and gentlemen, that was the first fight of the evening. So, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be coming to the officials. So, Mr. Raj, this was a nice display of grit and determination from both the fighters. So I think it was a battle of will between both these battle-tested and hard fighters who showed up an absolutely stunning fight nearest,
Yes, Sumta, this was definitely a slugfest.
especially the last round. And for welterweight,
The card is getting ready. Winner announcing in a few seconds. one, ladies and gentlemen, going straight to the scorecard. Judge number one scored 37-39. Judge number two scored 36-14. Judge number three, 36-14. And the winner by unanimous decision from the blue corner, Samara Python Ray! Game of the first match from the unanimous decision, Samara Python.
Definitely, it was a very tough fight from.
Yeah, it was a tough fight, and I think Python did what it takes to.
And I think, yes, Python did what it takes to get the victory done.